In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade videos in and out in PowerPoint slides. This simple technique can add a professional touch to your presentations, bringing a smooth transition to video elements that can enhance the overall flow and keep your audience engaged. Let's dive right in and explore how you can achieve this with ease. First, you'll want to start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. If you're not already there, navigate to the program and fire it up. It's where all the magic happens, in PowerPoint, so make sure you've got it running smoothly on your desktop or laptop. Once PowerPoint is open, head over to your PowerPoint presentation. Hopefully you've already got one in mind or you've created a new one where you want to apply these cool fade effects. Remember, it's always good to have your content ready so you can focus on enhancing it rather than last minute tweaks. Now within your presentation, find the slide that contains the video you wish to edit, click directly on that video and make sure it's selected. You should see a bounding box or similar indicator around the video, confirming it's ready for some modifications. Next up, move along to the Playback tab. You'll find this at the top of your PowerPoint interface. The Playback tab is where you can manipulate how your video behaves during your presentation. It's an important tool for adding that extra polish to your slides. From the Playback tab, you'll want to venture into the Editing group. This group clusters various editing options together, giving you control over how the video starts, stops, and much more. It's a crucial region within the Playback tab as it hosts the tools we need for fading videos in and out. Now you'll see options that allow you to configure the fade in and fade out effects for your video. This is where you set up the timing for your fade effects. Simply enter the duration you wish your video to take to fade in from a black screen and to fade out to black at the end. This creates a smooth transition effect that can be particularly useful for maintaining a seamless transition between slides or parts of your presentation. And there you have it. By adjusting these settings thoughtfully, you can make your presentation look even more polished and professional. The ability to fade videos in and out helps keep your audience's attention where it matters most, on your content. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to test your settings by playing through your presentation to ensure everything works as intended. This extra step can make all the difference. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to subscribe for more tips and tools to elevate your PowerPoint presentations. Until next time, happy presenting.